Hello everyone, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. I hope you all are well. In today's class, we shall learn two new rules of making the nouns plural. In the first rule, we will see the nouns ending in F and FE, how to make them plural, and then we will see the nouns ending in Y and how to make them plural. So are you ready? This is rule number 3. Rule number 1 and 2 I have put in my previous video. You can watch it by clicking this I button. So what does this rule say? If a noun ends at F or FE, replace F and FE by VES to make it plural. Okay, now let's see some examples. The word is half. Half. It's ending with the F. Half. So it will change into house. House. The F will change into VES. Okay. This is wife. Wife. It will change into wives. Wives. Knife. Knife. Knives. Knives. Life. Life. Lives. Lives. So this was the rule 3, changing F and FE into VES. Let's see rule number 4. Rule number 4 has two parts, A and B. So this is rule number 4A. What does it say? It says, if a noun ends in consonant plus Y, change Y to IES to make plural. Okay? If the noun is ending in a consonant and Y, we will change Y to IES. Let's see some examples. The word is copy. Copy. You can see there is a consonant before Y, so this Y will be changed into IES. Copies. Copies. This is puppy. Puppy. Before Y we have a consonant, so it will be puppies. Puppies. Y will change into IES. Cherry. Cherry. There is a consonant before Y, so it will be cherries. Cherries. Baby. Baby. Babies. Babies. Now let's see rule number 4B. What does the rule 4B say? If a noun ends in vowel plus Y, simply add S to make plural. Okay, let's see some examples. The word is boy. Boy. You can see here's a vowel before Y. So we'll simply add S here after Y to make it plural. Let's see this word. Trolley. Trolley. Can you see this vowel before Y? It means that it will be trolleys with a S only. Trolleys. Ray. Ray. So it will be rays with a S. Chimney. Chimney. Again we have a vowel before Y, so it will be chimneys. Chimneys with the S only. So that's all for today's class. I hope you have understood it. I hope you have liked it. If yes, please hit the like button, share the video. I shall see you soon with some other rules of making plural. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.